Children, welcome back to your VPSC learning class. Children, as you all know that yesterday I have completed your The Beauty and the Beast part 1 lesson 9 revision test. Children, today I am going to take you the revision of your holy, the paragraph writing lesson number 21, holy beta. So what you all have to do, you all have to write down the paragraph on holy and in your own words. There is no problem, you learn which I have given you in the class group, but you can write it in your own language, but language should be correct. Okay children, so all of you know that what do you mean by Holi. Holi is a festival. Okay, so it is a color of joy. All the pupils spread colors on each other and eat gujiyas. I have told you in the before also when I have described you the paragraph writing. Children, so you have to write down the paragraph on Holi beta. Okay, and get ready with your answer sheets and write down the paragraph writing on Holi in a neat and clean handwriting, and spelling should be correct. So go through it. First you write it, then you read it also. Okay children, okay, let's start with the revision of Holy beta. Okay children. Good morning children. Today I am going to again explain the chapter paragraph writing before taking the revision test, because many of you are very creating the scene that there is very problem in learning the paragraph. So paragraph is not so tough na, it is on Holy only na. So I am going to tell you that how can you write the paragraph on Holy beta. So mention today's date 24/12/20, lesson 21 paragraph writing. At the right side classwork, and you have to mention here revision test also. Okay, so paragraph is a piece of writing dealing with single topic but containing several sentences. Means paragraph is a piece of writing. In this, it is dealing with a single topic. Only single topic is given but containing several sentences about the single topic beta. A paragraph begins with an introductory sentence. Always reminded that paragraph begins with an introductory sentence, develops the topic coherently and closes with a concluding sentence. Means a paragraph always begins with an introductory sentence, develop the topic coherently and close with a concluding sentence beta. So you have to write a paragraph in about 50 words on the festival of colors, that is Holi beta. So Holi is celebrated all over country, all of you know na. So Holi is celebrated all over country. It is a festival of colors, you all know. People from all walks of life and age, without thinking of age, put colors on one another of different religion. And children buy pitchkaris and colors in advance for celebrations. Means Holi is celebrated all over India, you all know, and people from all walks of life means all age of pupils want to celebrate the Holi. They like to celebrate the Holi festival, and without thinking of age, put colors on one another of different religion. Children buy pitchkaris and colors in advance. In this, children buy the pitchkaris and colors in advance. They can put with them for celebration of Holi. Music and dance is also the mark of Holi beta. So music and dance is also a part of Holi, and colors are symbol of equality and prosperity of joy beta. Means the colors when we put on each other, it is a symbol of equality and prosperity of joy. People put colors and exchange food. In this festival, people put colors on each other and exchange food like gujiyas, papad, which helps to demolish the enemies. And it is also this festival also helps to demolish the enemies. Demolish means ending the enemies. You have friendship with others in this way. In the evening, Holika Dahan is the symbol of Satyamev Jayate, followed by delectable dishes and sweets. Means in the evening, Holika Dahan first take place, then after that Holi is started next day. So it is a symbol of Satyamev Jayate also, followed by delectable dishes and sweets are also there. People prepare gujiyas and papad and also enjoy Holi to go others' house in the evening for Holi Milan. In this, people go to the other's house in the evening for Holi Milan. You all know, है and share food and colors. People who love to spread colors and eat gujiyas, they love the festival of Holi. And Holi is the festival of colors and joy, children. So, I hope it is clear for you. So, you all have to write. I can give you, I have prepared a revision test paper. So, I can give you, you have to write down the answers only. Okay, beta? So, you have to write a paragraph in about 50 words on the festival of colors, Holi, beta. Okay, beta? And you have to write it neatly, nicely using blue and black pen and write in a correct spelling. Spelling should be not wrong. Okay, children? Okay, beta. Thank you.